Lily, where is Dad?
I don't know.
I can't see Mom. Maybe they are over there. No, I don't see them. Let's look again. Lily, I think we are lost.
Don't worry. Don't worry.
But where are they?
Look!
What?
There is a map.
Where are we?
I don't know.
There are so many roads. What was that?
The lions!
They are very loud.
Lily, look! What?
A zoo worker. Excuse me.
Please help us.
We can't find our parents.
Don't worry. What are your names?
I am Henry.
Where did you last see your parents?
Near the elephants.
Wait. I remember something. I remember now.
What do you remember?
Mom said, let's see the elephants.
Do you think they are there?
I hope so.
Let's hurry!
Look at that monkey! Henry, we need to keep going. Okay. The elephants are this way.
Are you sure?
Yes. Oh.
What?
I think I was wrong.
Wait!
What did you find?
The elephant area is over there.
Did you hear that?
Yes!
That was an elephant!
I can see them!
The elephants?
Yes!
Mom? Dad?
I don't see them. Henry!
What is it?
Mom's scarf!
Then they were here. Where does this path go?
Let's see.
Maybe Mom went this way.
I know this area.
Can you help us?
Yes. Stay with me.
Henry! Did you hear that?
Yes!
Mom!
Henry!
We found you!
I was so worried.
We were looking everywhere. We got lost.
Henry! Lily!
Dad!
Are you both okay?
We couldn't find you.
Then I found your scarf.
It helped us find you.
If you get lost, stay together.
And ask for help?
Exactly.
Next time, we will stay close.
And we won't run away.
That's my children.
Have you ever been lost?
What did you do?
Tell us in the comments. And if you enjoyed our story,
please like and subscribe.
see you in the next video.